Hey guys, Caesar here with Easy DIY Tech. We're going to be removing the front cowl for a BMW E46 chassis. It doesn't matter what engine it has. This one specifically here is a 2000 model BMW 323 Ci coupe. You can have a coupe, you can have a sedan, you can have the engine that's in this one, which is an M52 B25 TU technical update, or the M54 engine, either in 2.5 or 3 liters. They're all going to have the same cowl on there. So for this, all you're going to need to remove the front cowl so you can access more stuff on this engine is a T30 socket. All you need to do for this is we're going to unclip this section here, this little wiring holder. We're going to pop all the wiring out, pop it out of there. On here, this is your cabin air filter. You just pop the little retaining clips out of there, pop this guy off, a little cover there. You remove your cabin air filter, and then right under here you have 4 T30 bolts. So we're going to remove those. Make sure you don't drop anything on BMWs. They have underbody covers underneath. If you drop something, you'll have to lift it up, remove those guys, and try to find whatever you dropped. So this guy just slides right on out of there. And then you have a nice open engine bay for you to work on. Whenever you reinstall it, you're just going to slide it right back in. Make sure these weather strips here lay over the actual cowl itself. You can actually just take these off if you would like, and then you can put them back on after you put that cowl on. These are going to remain in place. These weather strip areas, these can actually be removed too, but you can leave those there.